Hello and welcome to SBC. Today I will show you how to make a DollarStore solar flashlight. So let me show it to you a bit closer. Here's the battery, there's the controller chip, and this is the on and off switch. And it will automatically switch off as soon as there is light. Let me demonstrate. You see? It's now charging. And if it gets dark, switch it is automatically back on. And yeah, you see, it's quite bright here. Very easy to use. Actually, not hard to build if you are able to solder. And well, the whole project here is just $2 plus solder. So there's nothing that can stop you from building one of those. Well, as long as you're able to solder something. If not, it's a bit difficult. But maybe I will make a soldering tutorial. So ask me if necessary. And now I will show you how to build it. So lean back and enjoy. So today I have a little project. I have this broken solar light, the one DollarStore ones. I am talking about one of those, and yeah, the battery was dead and it didn't work anymore, so I upcycled it. And I will turn it into a flashlight. So I have used a soldered 2 wires onto a rechargeable battery. Now I will fit it all in this little case. So I have managed to break it free now. It's held in place by the sticky tape, and now it's out. See? Bye bye casing. Hello solar charger. But now it's time to thank today's sponsor. Oh hey, wait. I have no sponsor. Back to the video. Or let's say back to the slideshow, because, well, believe it or not, my battery ran out and I didn't have any... I just didn't want to interrupt my project build to recharge the battery. And so yeah, here it is finished now, so you don't have seen me soldering. Too bad. To help you visualize, I have made this little diagram here. And the schematic stays the same, with the one exception that I have added a switch to switch off the battery. The red wire is plus and the green wire is minus. Well, yeah, and that's actually it. So, let's go and build one. Okay, now let me show you how it works. I switch it on and holds the light and it goes out automatically. Can't see it here really good, but it works very nice. And now let me kill the light and show you how it works. And when they looked up, he saw the face of his future mother-in-law. Yeah, actually, it is quite a bright light, as you see. And very well, bright enough for orientation purposes outside. As you here see, it gives up a rather nice beam. And if I put it on top of my camera here, I have to flip the screen down to do it. Put it up here. You will see it gives actually enough light so you can see my face now. And if I put the light away, you won't see much of my beauty. I mean, that's what everyone has to do with a flashlight, right? And yeah, it's actually working really nice. I had to resolder the whole thing, as there was one defective cable in it, and I have to say these aluminium cables, they are terrible. I really very much prefer the copper ones. But yeah, overall it is lightweight. It got an on-off switch, so in case you wanna switch it off, which you don't have to, because well, it charges itself up the next day, and it will then work again in the night. And all those ghouls and goblins and zombies creep out of their tombs. Oh, and don't forget those mummies. Oh, I never trust those mummies. Too much bondage in here for trusting mummies. Yeah. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and well, subscribe till I make the next interesting project like this solar rechargeable flashlight prototype. Yeah. And here I am again. Let's flip up the screen and say till next time in an appropriate way. And I really have to say I really like the design of it. It fits perfectly in every pocket. It is very lightweight by using just one AA battery, and yeah, I definitely will put this into my backpack when I go out next time. So, hope you've enjoyed it, and till next time, see you later. As soon as the light goes away, it will switch it on automatically. You see? Works perfectly. This way, if you leave it on, it will switch off on the next morning and not run the battery down. Which is not a problem, as the battery gets charged via this solar cell here. It uses a actually officially non-rechargeable AA battery, which I have made rechargeable. More to this later. But yeah, it's not much in it. The most is wire, and it's very lightweight. Solar panel on the bottom here and a little controller.